Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the sum function. We are going to discuss about this sum in SQL and in DSL. So you can see we have an employee table and you can see we have the department and salary. Okay, department we have HR, IT, finance, marketing. Okay, and we need to get a total salary of all department and total salary of each department. So how to get total salary of all department? So we need to get the total salary. Okay, Spark SQL select assume sum and then salary. So from EMP and then show. Okay, so let me run this one. You can see you can get the total salary. You can see total. This is the total salary. And in DSL, how we'll do that? In DSL, we'll use df.select, okay, and then we'll use sum, and in bracket salary, and then show. You can see in DSL also this is the same output. Okay, in DSL we can use other way also, df.aggregate, okay, and then sum in bracket salary.show. You can see it will generate the same result. Okay, this one and this one. And here if we need to get, this is the total salary of all department, total salary of all department, and now we need to get the total salary of each department. So how to do that? Let's start. Spark SQL select, we need to get department. Okay, department, and then sum salary. Okay, as department wise total salary. Okay, from EMP group by department. So let me do show. So here the script is like that. Select department, it will get selected department. Sum salary as department wise total salary from employee group by department. So let me run this one. You can see the HR has this, finance has this one, marketing and IT. Okay, and in DSL if we need to do that, how to do that? So df dot, we'll use the group by and group by department. Okay, and then here we'll use az aggregate function and then sum, and inside the sum we'll use salary. Okay, and then show. You can see let me run this one, and after that we'll use the alias also. You can see department wise, but here we need to change this one like department wise total salary. Okay, so here df.group by department aggregate sum inside salary as, so this salary we want to save as department was salary. Okay, So this will change. You can see this sum salary will change as alias department was total salary. You can see. Okay, so guys, this is a very good important uh, interview question. So they will ask how to get department was total salary and total salary from an employee table. Okay, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.